My name is Mahendra Padhhiyar. I am working in Aquatiz Home Innovation Pvt Limited as a factory HR manager. I have been associated in Aquatiz since 2019 and I am taking care of entire HRs and administration part of Aquatiz. Aquatiz is a very new company in India. It's incorporated in 2019. Aquatiz is basically from the Singapore-based company. They are apparently more than 2 or 3 plants and entire and other countries like China, Singapore, Portugal. Aquatiz is starting to manufacturing in India in sanitary items like toilet seat cover, concealed crystals, and electric bidet, non-electric bidet. We have lots of product to manufacture in India plant. When the company started that operation in Aquatiz, so we started to found ERP for our companies. Okay, that time we have taken we have connected so much ERP consultants like other companies ERPs. Okay, and taking a demo part and evaluating that demo also. So whenever we are using the ERP system, so that like material issues, inventory issues, bomb creations, and other part of related to production that required to get a report keen and clear. So DataNote is very useful and very comfortable for us to get reports, and it's really reliable for our systems. At present in DataNote ERP, we are using the sales, CRM, purchase, inventory, finance, and lots of other functions we are using. And after the DataNote selections, we are required lots of customization. As present, we get lots of support from the DataNote teams and that's engineers. They are always been there wherever we require to make customizations. And finally, we get that module which we are use and get the satisfaction entire. Definitely, I would recommend DataNote ERP to manufacturing unit, especially blow molding and injection unit.